Sometimes, you may be using ChatGPT. When you are using ChatGPT, if you want to live chat with it, you can do that. That means, without typing, if you want to ask anything to ChatGPT like a human, you can do that. So, if you are asking anything, ChatGPT will reply to you like you're a human. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling you about how to chat like that. For this, you need to install the ChatGPT application. It's available in the Play Store and App Store. After that, open ChatGPT. When you're opening ChatGPT, you'll reach a page like this. Here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on this button, you can see the option to live chat with ChatGPT. You can ask whatever you want to ask ChatGPT. It'll be like you're chatting with a human.
I'm glad you're exploring this. Just like you said, you can ask anything, from casual chit-chat to deep questions, and I'll respond in a natural, conversational way.
You can see ChatGPT is replying to whatever I am saying. Or, if you want to change this voice, above you can see a button like this. Click on this button, and here you can see the option to change voice. For example, I am selecting this voice. And if you want to see what they are saying, here you can see a button. Just turn on this, and here you can see the close button. When you are clicking on that, the chat will be closed. Anyways, this way you can easily live chat with ChatGPT. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.